Hey there, welcome to this video. So in this video, I want to quickly show us how to label your pie chart in Tableau. So you have a pie chart and probably a space like this is in between and you just want to label it to show the number it actually displays. So what you quickly do is after you've created your pie chart, you come to that point and right click on it. Then you see annotate. So you go to annotate point, not area point. So once you click that, it's going to open this box to you. Just do okay. You don't need to put anything in there. Then you can click on it and drag to whatever position you want to place it to. So once you've done that, you come to the right hand side. You will see format annotation, but if you do not see that option, you right click and click on format. Okay, so it opens that window on the left hand side of the screen. Then go to shading, come to shading, and you remove it and change it to none. So you have none display. There is no color, but you have that line still displayed. So once you click on it, you can still see line on that format. You come to line and you can change to whatever color you want or whatever thickness or whatever pattern you want to. So let's just leave as is, and I've changed it to black and I've changed it to these broken lines. So once I've done that, I'm going to drag in the label. You click on that number. Remember, when you plot a chart, you would have dropped a field inside the label, which is the text. So click on that number and drag it to the extremity of that line, and there you have it annotated, and it shows as though it's still you're labeling it. So click outside, click on this twilight, and you have that. So that's a fast way to annotate, and it shows as though you've labeled your pie chart. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.